Good afternoon, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now take out your science textbook and open page number 55. So, dear children, as you know that yesterday we have seen about the leaf, okay? Leaf have lamina, petiole, stem and leaf blade, okay? Then midrib also, and we have seen activity number 4 and activity number 5 regarding to the leaf, okay? Then now from today we are going to start the roots from the roots, okay? So look at figure number 7.13, okay? Figure number 7.13. What do you think is watering their plant correctly? Paheli bujho, why? Paheli or bujho, why? Okay, which part of the plant is in the soil? Okay, and let us learn more about the part of the following activities. That means here you can see both are watering the plants. So who did correct? Yes, she is doing correct because she is giving water to the roots, okay, and he is just giving water to the outside, okay, that means only leaves. So leaves cannot suck the water, it can't help to that plant, okay. So if you are giving the water to the soil, okay, where we found the roots, so that's why whenever you will find that someone is giving water, okay, only to the leaf, so it is the very much useless thing, okay. You must give water to the roots. So you would require 2 pots, some soil, khurpi for digging, blade or a pair of scissors and water. This activity is to be done in groups of 4-5 students, okay. So select 2 plants of the same kind from an open ground and dig them into with roots, okay. Then take care of their roots. Do not break. Plant one of them in a pot A and cut off the roots from the other plant it in pot B. That means here you can see that here they just kept the root, but here they cut out the root, okay. Then water them regularly. Observe the plants after a week. Are both plants healthy? No, because when the pot number A plant will be healthy because it is having root, and when you give the water to that plant, the roots suck the water and it gives to the plant for the process of photosynthesis. But in case of B, there is no roots are available, so it can't help to that. So now let's do the another activity. Activity number 7. We would require seeds of gram and maize, cotton wool, katori, that is bowl, and some water. Okay. So take 2 katoris, that is bowl, place some wet cotton in them, put 3 or 4 seeds, gram in one and maize in the other. Okay. Then keep the cotton wet by sprinkling water every day until the sprouts have grown into young plants, okay. After a week, try to separate the young plants from the cotton, okay. So young plants grown on the cotton. So what it easy to separate the cotton from the roots? Why? Okay, because when you just give the water to that cotton, so it will helps that roots to grow, okay. So in activity number 6, we could not pull out the plants from the soil, right, we dug them out. This is because roots help, okay, holding the plant firmly in the soil. They anchor the plant to the soil. So here we can easily pull out the these seeds, okay, and roots, okay. But here we cannot easily just take out that plant, because as you know that with the help of soil, the roots hold the soil. Then you have seen that there are different kinds of stems and leaves. Do the roots also show a variety? So let us found, okay. So let's see the activity number 8. So study in figure number 7.16 A and B carefully. First of all, just watch these 2 figures carefully, okay. Then look at the roots of the gram plants you have pulled out from the cotton in the previous activity. Do they look like roots shown in the figure 7.16, okay, or those in figure number 7.16b, okay? So how about the roots of the maize plant, okay? So write gram or maize in the blank spaces in the figure after matching the roots with the figures, okay? In what way are the roots of gram and maize similar? In what ways they are different? And there seems to be two different types of roots, okay, isn't it? There are also the other types of root. Let us found. So you can see in both of this picture, these are very thin roots, okay, and they are growing both of the side, and these are very thick root, okay. So and what is the main use of this root, okay? This is known as the sprout, okay, and in maize root we cannot say the sprouts, okay. Then in activity 9, go to an open ground where may wild plants are growing. Dig out a few, wash the soil off the roots and observe them. Do you find all of them have either the kind of roots shown in the figure 7.17 or as in the figure number 7.17b? Okay, that means if you go outside, okay, in any garden, okay, then if you pull out some roots, okay, from the soil, so what you will observe, you may observe this kind of root system or you may observe this kind of root system, okay. So this root system is known as taproot system, and this system is known as the fibrous root system, okay. Because if you carefully observe, you can see a main single root is here, okay, but here you can see no single roots, okay, they are just spreading like threads. This is known as the fibrous roots. So for roots of the kind shown in the figure 7.17a, the main root is called the taproot, okay, and the similar roots are called as the lateral roots, okay. And the plants with roots as shown in the figure number 7.17b do not have main root, okay. All roots seem to similar and these are called the fibrous root, okay. So that means in here we can see a single root, okay, but these little roots, they are known as the lateral roots. But here in fibrous root you can see there is no a main root, okay, there is a single fibrous root. Then separate the plants you have collected into two groups. In a group A, put those that have taproots. In group B, those have fibrous roots. Look at the leaves of the plants, okay. In a group, what kind of venation do you have? What kind of venation do you see? Plant of group B, okay. So do you notice that leaf venation and type of roots in the plant related a very interesting way? That means as I told you about the venations, okay. Venations means this is known as the venation, okay. So as you know that in taproot you will see the reticulate venation as well as the fibrous root. You will see you will see the parallel venation, okay. Then in table number 7.2, can you match the type of leaf venation and the type of root for some plants? You have studied in all the activities so far, okay. So that means here you have, this is your homework, you have to fill this box, okay. You have to put the two names of the plant and you have to write down the venation and type of root there, okay. So we have learnt that roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and the stem conducts, okay, and the stem conducts these to leaves and other parts of plants. The leaves prepare food. This food travels through the stem and stored in different parts of the plant. We eat some of these as a root like carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip and topeka. We also eat many other parts of a plant where food is stored, okay. So do you agree that stem is like a street with two-way traffic? Write the names of the material that goes up in the stem and that which comes down. In the next section, we will study about the structure of flowers. Okay. So this is all about the stem, roots, okay, and the type of venation according to the root system. Okay. So dear children, this is it for today's video. If you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me. So tomorrow we will discuss about the flower. Okay. Then till then, it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.